How to get to Gardens with Purpose via car. If you're taking a taxi or private hire vehicle, get them to drop you off at Mega at Woodlands at Lobby E. When you arrive, take the lift up to level 8. And fast forward this video to the 50th second. If you're driving over, take note that the Carpark Ramp doesn't go up to level 8. So, Google your way to Mega at Woodlands and then park at either level 1 or ideally level 7 as there are a lot more car parks there. At level 7, there are lots of parking on the right. Once you park, walk over to Lobby E and head up to level 8. As you exit the lift lobby, turn left and turn right again to cut across the middle of the building. Turn right at the glass door and look out for the unit 0867. We are the last unit on the left. See you there!